Welcome to Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues. We're back in the kitchen. Shane O'Connell on camera. This is Daddy Jack's, 181 Bank Street, beautiful downtown New London, Connecticut. So tonight, I'm going to show you how to do some, it's Pappardelle, but we're going to do it with a shrimp carbonara. So, right into the water. As soon as that pasta's cooked, this dish will be cooked. Okay? So we're gonna put some bacon in the skillet. A little bit of diced onion. Good amount of garlic. And we'll do some shrimp. I think we'll pull the tails off of these shrimp. I'm going to split them lengthwise. They go a little bit further on the looks on the pasta dish. Break up the pappardelle a little bit. A little white wine. One thing I forgot, the onions. So we'll catch up. We'll catch them up. Don't worry. So we're just gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper, not much. We'll taste it at the end. Using fresh pasta, this dish will go real quick. Let that pasta finish and we'll be right back. So I got the onions now, cut them up. We'll do a little more garlic. You never have too much garlic. Okay? So I had half and half in there. I'm gonna put a little more heavy cream. A little bit of Parmesan. Okay. So on the egg yolk, I add a little bit of we put an egg yolk in at the end. I mix just a little bit more half and half, so you won't cook the egg once we get it in there. Pappardelle. Put a little bit of egg yolk mixture. A little bit more Parmesan. See it starting to thicken up now? Of course, I gotta put a little bit of green onion. Brian, what's happening? Huh? Come on back around here. Come on over, bring those tamales. He made a test pilot on this little shrimp carbonara. Brian's a local restaurateur. He's been around this area for how many years, Brian, now?
25 years.
25.
Yeah, so.
What have been the names of your other restaurants?
The Bayou Barbecue and Grill, Raiders Roost, just to name a few of my many ventures. Anyway, Jack, here's some dinner. Thank you for inviting me in.
You want a taste?
I'll have a taste.
Okay. Here we go, ready to roll.
I know it's going to be delicious, that's for sure.
All right, here we are. Give it a taste, Brian.
You gotta get it on the fork just right.
Gotta try shrimp first. Pepperdelli's hard to eat. Hard to get on the fork, but it's worth it. It's probably one of my favorite cuts of pasta.
This is delicious.
It's good?
You outdid yourself, Jack.
It's amazing how that shrimp, a little bit of that shrimp, how much flavor it actually put into it. Could use a little more cheese, maybe a little more salt and pepper, but kept it on the milder side because the bacon's salty, the cheese is salty. That's Daddy Jack's cooking with the blues. Shrimp carbonara, you can do chicken carbonara. Oh, that's a good medium. It's a takeoff of Alfredo. That's Daddy Jack's cooking with the blues. Peace.